This is an update video on Vid AI, which was created by Matt Parr. And Matt is very well known and very successful with YouTube, and he has created this software not only for himself, but also for other people using YouTube. So in my previous video, I showed you how to set it up and use the Shorts feature. And since they rebuilt the platform, you can now do long form videos. You can still do the Shorts, and they're very easy to do. You can create Shorts, and now you can start creating long form videos as well. On the landing page, there is this video here that walks you through how to use the software. So I'm not going to repeat all of that. And then you can have captions added to your videos. And one of the other updates that they have done, now there's a lot of video clips already in the software. So previously, if you wanted to change the clip, background clip, or B-roll, you might have to go to a different platform, Pixabay, Pixels, any one of those things, and find some video that you wanted to use and then upload it and put it into your project. But now, with so many different video clips already in the platform, you don't have to go out and you don't have to go to different platforms to find different videos to put in either as a background or B-roll or any of those things. So that has made it much more efficient and effective for use. And so you can create your video script in seconds. You can start with your own prompt and have it generate a script. You can copy and paste a script in. If you're more comfortable using ChatGPT, you can get that and then paste it in and go from there. You can also choose your voice and length. So if you wanted male voice or female voice or anything like that, you can pick that. And there's over 40 different voices that you can pick. Once you go through and do this, you can preview and customize your video. So if you wanted to change a background clip or anything like that, you can edit. And if you have to leave your project before you're done, it will get saved as a draft. And then once you export, you can share your video, and it gives you a couple of different options in terms of how you export your video. Now, the thing with Vid AI is that it also works on a credit system. So if you were to do YouTube short or short form video, and it's under a minute, typically it uses about 5 credits. And so if you are going to do a long form video, then obviously it's going to use a lot more credits, and you'll need to top up your account to make sure that you have enough credits to create the type of video that you want to do. It costs them money with every video that's generated, and so it goes by a credit system. So with your video length, you have the choice of 1 to 10 minutes in length, which is a big change. With my first video, pretty much all you could do was the 1 minute short form video. So being able to do a longer form video is a huge improvement to this software. Once your video has been downloaded, you can share it back up to YouTube or wherever. And they have a lot of different features, AI voices, short videos. You can pick different types of background videos for your shorts and other videos. There's an AI image generator. And then if you wanted to watch a demo, then you would just click there. And they do not offer any free trials. And if you need more credits, you can always top up your credits directly in the app if you are getting low. And all of the content that's generated is good for SEO. It is plagiarism free. It's all unique content and very high quality. And they do also offer support. And in terms of a refund, since there is a monthly payment, as long as it hasn't been more than 30 days since your payment, they will refund your unused credits for you. So what I'm going to be doing is I will put the link for you to check this out in the description below. And just to give you some insight here in terms of pricing, the monthly fee is $67. I know after a period of time, he's going to be increasing the price up to the $99. I know that. You can pick monthly or yearly. And of course, if it's yearly, you do save some money. And then you would subscribe. And with the 67 per month short form creators, basically you're just getting access to the AI shorts, which means you can do short form content, and this can be shared to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can do faceless short form creation, story driven, fact based gameplay. You can use stock content video clips, and you can have the videos subtitled. And you can do, if you were doing a niche specific YouTube channel, you could create something that's niche specific. And so with the upgrade, if your desire is to do long form videos, then it is going to be the upgraded amount for the Pro plan here, which gives you not only AI shorts, but also long form videos. So if you're looking to create videos up to 10 minutes in length, then you would need to upgrade to the Pro. And that gives you not only everything here with the AI shorts, but you also get long form video creation, 3 hours of video creation per month, scene builder for different part videos, timeline based video editing. You get into, because these videos have to be rendered, if you are in the upgraded account, then your rendering is moved up the queue, so you get it faster. You get high resolution output, and you also get priority support access. And so I am really impressed with the rebuild of this software. I think being able to do longer form video and then do shorts around that topic is working out very well. And so I just wanted to let you know about the changes that have happened for Vid AI. I will link my first video up at the top so that you can see how to use the short version and how it all works. And then the choice is up to you as to whether or not you want to do just the short form content, or if you want to upgrade to the Pro version in order to be able to do long form videos. Now, for me personally, I like the combination of being able to do long form and then also have some shorts around that same topic, so that it provides, it helps with how well content does on YouTube. And YouTube, I know, is really promoting the shorts and short form content. So being able to do both a combination of long form and short form is a great way to go. But like I say, the choice is yours. You have two options in terms of membership plans. And depending on what your goals are, you may find that just the $67 a month, the Plus plan, it works perfectly well for what you want to do. So I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I will see you on the next one.